welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I am going to be doing a quick unboxing from Beebeecraft. And I'm going to start off with these. These are nail art, but they're ocean waves. And these ones are more opaque than this. You get a pack of 4, and I thought it would be kind of interesting to try, like in my resin, like bookmarks, stuff like that. I'm not sure if I'd like it, but I want to give it a try, give it a chance and see how that works out. And then I have these. They're 2 Mosaic molds. There's 2 of them, but there's 6 different designs. Both molds are exactly the same. I have a pretty good plan for what I want to do with these. This is a really good mold, really solid mold. So I'm looking forward to that. So I also thought about this too, like this here, because I like doing miniatures. And this here would be a really good cobblestone for a cobblestone sidewalk or something like that, or on the side of a little miniature building. That would be cool for that right there. So anyway, just throwing that out there. So I got these 2 molds, and then I got this. It is a compact with the mirror on both sides, and it's for resin, so you would do a resin project on the very top of that. So I'm looking forward to that. And then I have these little enamel flowers right here, and I'll come in. You get 10 of them, and they're just the enamel charms. I thought those were really pretty. So you get 10 of those. And if you're interested in the YouTube program, all you have to do is go to my description box, and I will have a link, and you fill out the forms. The requirements is that you have at least 100 subscribers. And they fill out the form, and Beebeecraft will let you know how to go about getting free stuff from them. And then I got these. I believe these are stitch holders for when you do knitting or crocheting. I'm not sure. I don't knit or crochet. I just thought they would be cute to use for like keychains or anything like that. And you get two designs of each. Like here's that little fish, and you got seahorses. Here's the other one. These feel like real shells. They're not like solid metal. This is like folded over, but it's not bad. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's a charm. And you get the 4 little crabs. You get the pink and the blue crabs. Pink and the blue ones. And the little sunfish. And 2 lobster claws. And you get 4 of the enamel starfish, the pink and the blue enamel. They're really cute. And you get sea turtles, and you get enamel dolphins, 2 enamel dolphins. And you got these dolphins. And then you get 2 starfish. And these, I believe they're shrimp. Or, I don't know. They look like shrimp to me. So you get those. And then I got this mold here. It is a paw print. Thought it'd be really cute. My son has a couple cats, and my neighbor has a couple cats. But you get 5 of these. I don't know what I would be doing with 5 of these. If I have a giveaway, I do have some molds to be giving away. But I thought this would be cute. Put the pet's name on there and give them as gifts. They're not bad molds. It's not they're typical molds like what you would get ordering online. But they look cute. I like that. I like the paw print. I really like that. But anyway, so I got the paw prints. Got 5 paw prints. I got the 2 of these molds. I got the little compact mirror. I got these. the Enamel Flowers, and the waves. So check the description box. All the links will be there. I also have a discount code I'll have displayed on the screen. And I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And to my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. And you have a great day, and God bless. Bye.